In this video, I'll be disassembling this 2018 Toyota Tacoma halogen headlight. I will begin by cutting off the remainder of the lens. The lens is held in place with glue and screws. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There's a single wire clip connecting the front LED to the main housing. The main bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. Here's the LED daytime running light board. Next, I'll remove the reflector for the turn signal. Next, I'll release the two upper mounting clips. Next, I'll turn the 5/16 headlight adjusting bolt all the way to the left. Next, I'll unclip the wire connector for the LED daytime running light. The housing is now empty. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the bracket. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here is the H11 halogen projector. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector together. Here's the LED daytime running light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.